Stock Charts YouTube channel. So this channel is all about the things for education purpose. We are analyzing the stock charts on the basis of price action, support and resistance and trend lines. So let's start analyzing today's chart, that is Tata Steel. So you all know my analysis revolve around from higher time frames to lower time frame. So let's go into the 1 month. And this chart started around 1995. So the highest support and resistance, let us find. The highest resistance is 1533. Today closing is 1148 rupees 80 paisa, and this is, let me find out, major swings 901, and this one is also 1475. Then sorry, 1380. Then most of the charts prices revolves around from support and resistance, and they respected those support and resistance. So we are just marking 1246 on the lower side, 1060. Let's go into the weekly chart pattern. Weekly is something, see, I am able to see one trend line. This is the trend line. Let me correct it. Specifically this, and this is one more I am able to see. Fine. And to be specific from here, okay, and let me go into the daily time frame. If you go into the daily one, the first of all, this chart is a dividend giving chart. Last dividend 25 rupees, before than that 10 rupees, 2020, 2021. So around June it gives a dividend. So 2022 is the next dividend time, and there is a let me, there is no pattern which I'm able to see right now, but I'm only able to see the price moves in between 1246 to 1060. So let's go into the hourly time frame. So guys, if you see hourly time frame, this is one of the W pattern which is done, this and this. So now the chances are chances might be it will go I'm just trying to figure it out if we are able to find. Otherwise let's not give any view right now or keep any views, but yes, this moves in between this line and this line. So 1131 till 1246. Let's wait and watch for next few days how Tata Steel will perform. So this is all about Tata Steel today, and let us go to those charts which we have analyzed previously on the basis of daily time frame and how they perform. Why I'm going into charts every day is like every big stock market person and whom I listen to the YouTube and learn from them is charts are must. Learning the candlestick, learning the price action, learning the trend lines, that will actually helps you. So you should also learn along with me. Asian Paint we mark yesterday. Asian Paint guys going high side. 3507 is next target. Bajaj Finserv. Let me mark these prices for tomorrow. Blue. It is not allowing me because I am not a paid subscriber for. So let me mark Asian Paint only. Bajaj Finserv on a daily time frame trying to touch the resistance. Bharti Airtel cup shape pattern going upwards. So high chances upside. BPCL respecting the resistance. Britannia, guys, W shape pattern. Britannia, if breaks, Britannia is on W shape pattern specifically. Coal India, no clear cut movement right now. Divis Lab respecting the resistance. 4424 4621. Dr. Reddy. Dr. Reddy is in cup shape pattern, guys. If you see, let me draw the cup shape for you guys. Fine, let's see if it moves downward. The channel will come like that, something like that. Grasim, guys, upside but respecting the resistance. ये एक ट्रेंड लाइन दिख रहा है मेरे को. So let's wait and watch how this trend line performs. SCL Tech, IT companies are results soon coming into this week. So basically moving upward. SCL Tech, HDFC moving towards the resistance. HDFC Life, guys, symmetrical triangle. Hero Motocorp respecting the resistance. Hindalco sir, guys, touches those resistance and moves downward. Might be sometime happens like stock moves upward and a candle form, that is a breakout candle, but before then that retracement candle come and then a breakout come, and when this breakout come the chart moves upside, like the candlesticks give a positive sign. Indus Industrial Bank, guys, touching the resistance again, red candle. Infi, guys, making higher highs right now, still like today rise is 0.70 but still in this range. So let me mark this is as the topmost resistance 1914 IOC, and you will soon see like it might break 1914 because chances are that because result is coming soon, quarterly result. IOC, guys, upside. ITC trying to touch the dynamic resistance. Kotak Bank, see guys, Kotak Bank is also upside. Banking stocks mostly are upside right now. L&T, L&T is in the range in this graph. This range 20781 and this line, this particular rectangular line you can say. Maruti, guys, W shape pattern broke. Nestle India, guys, I told you when this zone breaks, asymmetrical triangle pattern break, it moves upward, and same thing happened. 211 rupees today's rise. ONGC trying to touch the dynamic resistance trend line, and there is a one more trend line which I am able to see, this one. So if any of this breakout come out any side, a big movement is there, but dynamic resistance is and support are both available on our upside and downside. Power Grid, range. SBI Life, break upside. SBIN, guys, again coming into the range. So the people who have watched my previous videos able to find out why I'm saying in a range, because this line and this line is the dynamic support and resistance, and it moves. Now it is coming inside the range again. Shree Cement is see, you are able to see the pattern, like dynamic resistance and both dynamic support. In between that triangular pattern it is moving. Sun Pharma, cup shape pattern guys, broken upside. Now in between this range 854 837, if this might be a retracement one, upside is there. Then Tata Steel, because right now we are not able to find any pattern, but yes, this might act as a W shape pattern, but let's wait for some time. I'm not sure on it. So hope you like my video, hope you like my analysis, and do like my channel, do subscribe to my channel, do like the video, share the videos. And disclaimer is, I am not a SEBI registered person, so the view is for educational purpose only. You should comment on the video if you want anything else, or if you find any mistake in our analysis, do let me know. Have a nice day guys. Thank you.